So guys, today I'm going to open the hood in the Honda Jazz 2. So in the first step we have to pull this button to open the hood. Now let's go to the front of the car. And now we have to pull some trigger here. I'm not sure it's located. Let's go find by the fingers. Okay, it's located. I'm not sure I can help you, but if you have the sign here, you have to push with the finger in this place. Then pull up the hood and it's opened. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment and goodbye.